Hi everyone.
Welcome to
Several problems that we have encountered during making this innovation is that we have figured out that students are not exposed to the importance of recycling in general itself. We have figured out there's a lot of places in the school that contains a lot of plastic and papers that goes to waste without making any use of it. Despite it being a pollution to the environment, it also worsens the scenery and making the place look bad.
Ishan, learning history is such a pain. Every time the class starts, I always sleep in it.
I know, right? This map also is very complicated.
I wish there was a map that is interactive for us to play with. This maybe for us, it could help us memorize maps and much more.
So we created Green Print Atlas. Green Print Atlas is a map of nature that's completely made out of papers and plastic. It is designed to help students in primary school to teach them about common knowledge about nature and prepare them for the secondary school they are going to face. Also designed for schools that didn't take geography as one of their subjects and only take religious subjects. Besides of being a mechanism outside of the classroom, it could also serve as decoration for the school. Our product follows the SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals, which is SDG 4, Quality Education, SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and SDG 14, Life Below Water.
Items for the 14 states are bottle caps, plastic bottles, straw, food wrapper, plastic spoon, bubble wrap, banner, cardboard tin cans, polystyrene shopping receipt, toothpaste, tissue, and wasted cloth.
As you can see, this is our recent design of the Green Print Atlas. The QR code in front of the map implies that this map is interactable for you to play with. Also, the hinges at the back means that it could fold in half. With this, transporting would be much easier because it's more compact and it could be like a storage box for the puzzle.
The items required are glue sticks, scissors, double-sided tape, door hinge, door hasp, glue gun, paper of choice, local straps, PVC pipes, which will total cost of 14 ringgit and 50 cents.
That's all from us. Bye!